So, are you the one who is still creating contacts manually and adding them into your CRM? Then it's time for a change. In this video, I'll show you how you can automatically add all the contact details in your CRM. Yes, you can bulk upload the contacts in your CRM without any manual intervention. You can add up to hundreds or thousands of contacts to your CRM without any manual work. And yes, to do this, I've opened the workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of contacts for free inside your CRM. And once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase a subscription plan. For that, the coupon code is attached right over here. Because you watch our YouTube videos, you're going to get a very heavy discount when you apply this coupon code, which is RITPC. Alright, so now let's go on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. This is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets. So let's search for Google Sheets, select it. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so copy the webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Once you're on this Google Sheets, go towards this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to search for the extension, which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. And as you can see over here is the extension which you have to install. Once you install this extension, simply refresh the spreadsheet. It is really important to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to view the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here in your extensions tab. Once this Pabbly Connect Webhooks appear, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So you have to copy this webhook URL and paste it right over here in your Google Sheets like this. And now for the trigger column, you have to enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is C because I have only this three details, which is name, email and phone. But your trigger column will be according to your own spreadsheet. After entering the trigger column, selecting the webhook URL, click on this submit. And once you click on this submit, it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that we have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. But now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to click on this button which says send test. Once we click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. Pabbly is going to capture this first row right over here as the response, and as you can see, we have successfully captured the detail. So let's first create the contact in Zoho CRM using this detail. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. Now for the action application, search for Zoho CRM and select Zoho CRM right over here. For the event, select it as create contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Zoho CRM and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Zoho CRM. It is asking for the domain, so to get this domain, open your Zoho CRM account and over here in the URL, going to get the domain, which is after this https://crm and before this /crm. So this is my domain, which is zoho.in. So I'm just going to copy this domain and paste it right over here, and now I'm going to click on this save. Once we're going to click on this save, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly, no need to worry. Now you're going to see that our Zoho CRM is connected, so we have to select the lead source right over here. I'm just going to keep it as advertisement only. Now it's asking me for many details. details. So one by one, I'm just going to enter the details of my lead. But we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So it is asking me for the first name, last name, but over here we have this full name all together. So what we're going to do is just scroll, and first of all you have to close the Zoho CRM and click on this add new action step and search for text formatter by Pabbly. So it is a feature by Pabbly which helps you to format the text. For the event, select it as split text, click on this connect. Now map the name right over here, which is text to split, and then for the separator over here enter the characters in order to separate this text. So I have to separate the smart and user, and the character is space. So if you wish to enter the space, simply copy this space and paste it right over here. For the segment index, I'm just going to select it as all because I want first and second both. And now I'm going to click on the save and send test request, and now the smart and users is separated. So let's close this. Once again, click on this add new action step, select Zoho CRM. We have already created the connection, so no worries. We're just going to select the event right over here, click on this connect, select existing connection, and then save. Alright, now one by one I'm just going to map the details. So first I'm just going to map the first name from the split text, then the last name, and now I'm going to map this email address. Now it is asking for many other details, but we are only going to map the details which we have of our lead. So one by one I'm going to map all the details. When you use text formatter, the task is not consumed, so there is no issues. You can use this freely. So now you can see it is asking for many other details, but all of these details are not required. So let's leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. And once we're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have successfully created the contact. So let's open our Zoho CRM and we're going to refresh this contact list, and you're going to see a new contact will be created right over here using the same details. But I don't only want to add a single contact, but all the contacts I have in this Google Sheets. For that, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on this send all data. Once you click on this send all data, automatically all this data will be sent towards your workflow URL, and a new contact for the same will be created in Zoho CRM. And yes, now what we have to do is we just have to refresh it right from here, and you're going to see a new contact is created. And yes, all of this happened in backend. You're going to see all the details of my customers or leads are added right over here as the new contacts. And yes, all of this happened within seconds and in real time. Not only this, further, if I want to add a new contact right over here, automatically that will also be created. You have to go to this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and switch on this button which is send on event. So let's say I'm just going to enter the name as Ritika user. For the email, I'm going to keep it as ritika@pabblytudes.com. And I'm just going to enter the phone number right over here as this. And now after entering all of these details, we are just going to open our Zoho CRM and check for the new contact created. So let's open our Zoho CRM and we're going to refresh this contact list once again. And you're going to see the new contact details have been added right over here. And yes, this is no magic. This is the powerful automation which we have created right now. So yes, I took Zoho CRM just as an example application. You can use any another CRM tool like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pabbly supports most of them. And if you want a video dedicated towards the same, you can request it in the comment section below. And further, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check out this workflow and go and try this amazing automation for your own business too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.